Where are you going? She's like, I don't know, Mom. I'm exploring. I'm exploring. What's down there? Huh? Ooh. What do you think? She's like, I came all the way up those steps, Mom. I did. I did, Mom. Did you enjoy your shower? Huh? Yeah. How'd you get over there? I look away for 1 minute. Yeah. I see you. I see you. See, I'm exploring, Mom. I'm exploring. You're getting dressed. I'm exploring. What's down there? Yeah, that was a good one. That was a good whistle, Lewis. Can I finish getting ready? Yeah? Okay. Still cruising around, are you? Huh? Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go, Lewis? No going potty on my pillows. It's like, I already did it on the stairs, Mom. I'm good for about 5 minutes. Maybe. Depends on the day, right? Yeah. Where are you going? You look so tiny amongst all my pillows. Yeah. You do. You look so tiny over there. You having fun yet? Huh? Drying off? Happy New Year. Lewis is like, I'm ringing in the new year with the nice clean shower and relaxing on Mama's bed. Right. How you feeling, baby? Huh? Who's my pretty bird? Are you my pretty bird? Yeah, where's my kisses? Where's my kisses? You're such a good girl.